While COD Warzone 2 is a lot of fun, it's far from being a perfect experience. The game is plagued with performance-related issues that ruin the fun for some, and now players have been facing another bug that freezes their character when they try to use the Recon Drone in the game. The controls no longer work and players get stuck where they were when they equipped the drone. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. Reportedly, players are more prone to facing this bug when they are inside buildings. Reconnecting the controller or the keyboard and mouse does not help either. This has been an issue for quite some time and several are frustrated to find it in the game after so many updates. Fortunately, there is a workaround that can help you avoid this problem. According to a Redditor, you should not prone or be standing inside a building when using the drone. Also, when you deploy it, do not press any button for the first 1 or 2 seconds. This is obviously not the AAA experience one expects. We hope the developers find out the root cause and fix the issue as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.